Digitizing and scanning services company serving upstate New York, USA. In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, 3D digitizing and scanning services company have emerged as a crucial tool for various industries. These services company provide an efficient and accurate way to capture physical objects and convert them into digital models. One region that has greatly benefited from these services company is upstate New York, USA. With its diverse range of industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, and architecture, the demand for 3D digitizing and scanning services company in upstate New York has been steadily increasing. One renowned institution that offers top-notch 3D digitizing and scanning services company in upstate New York is the SCON Design. With their state-of-the-art equipment and highly skilled team, they are able to provide comprehensive solutions to their clients. The SCON Design understands the unique requirements of each industry and tailors their services company accordingly, ensuring accurate and detailed digital representations of physical objects. Whether it's reverse engineering, quality control, or product design, the SCON Design has the expertise to deliver exceptional results. On the other side of the globe, in Bangalore, India, there is also a growing demand for 3D digitizing and scanning services. Bangalore, often referred to as the Silicon Valley of India, is home to numerous technology companies and startups. The need for precise digital models has become essential for these companies as they strive to innovate and bring their ideas to life. The SCON Design has recognized this demand and has expanded its operations to Bangalore. By establishing a branch in this tech hub, the company aims to serve the growing needs of businesses in India with their top-quality 3D digitizing and scanning services. The benefits of 3D digitizing and scanning services company are not limited to any particular industry or geographical location. The applications are vast and diverse, ranging from healthcare to entertainment. In the healthcare sector, 3D digitizing and scanning services company have revolutionized medical imaging, allowing for more accurate diagnosis and personalized treatments. In the entertainment industry, these services company have been instrumental in creating lifelike characters and immersive virtual environments. In conclusion, 3D digitizing and scanning services company are playing a pivotal role in various industries around the world. In upstate New York, the SCON Design stands out as a leading provider of these services, catering to the unique needs of different sectors. With their expansion into Bangalore, they are poised to meet the growing demand for 3D digitizing and scanning services company in India's thriving tech industry. As technology continues to advance, these services company will only become more indispensable, shaping the future of design, manufacturing, healthcare, and beyond. As the world of technology continues to advance at a dizzying pace, 3D digitization and scanning services company have become an indispensable resource for many fields. These services company offer a fast and precise means of converting actual objects into digital representations. Upstate New York in the United States is one area that has profited immensely from these offerings. The need for 3D digitization and scanning services company in upstate New York has been on the rise due to the region's wide variety of businesses, which include manufacturing, healthcare, and architecture. The SCON Design is a well-respected organization in upstate New York that provides excellent 3D digitization and scanning services. They have cutting-edge technology and an expert staff, so they can give their customers a full range of options. In order to provide precise and comprehensive digital representations of physical objects, the SCON Design takes into account the specific needs of each business. The SCON Design offers the know-how to accomplish any task, be it reverse engineering, quality control, or product design. In Bangalore, India, on the other side of the world, there is also a rising need for 3D scanning and digitizing services. Bangalore is known as the Silicon Valley of India due to the large number of IT startups and established tech enterprises that call it home. As these businesses work to innovate and bring their ideas to reality, the requirement for accurate digital models has become crucial. The SCON Design has responded to this need by opening a new facility in Bangalore. The company has opened a new location in this technological area to better meet the demand for their high-caliber 3D digitization and scanning services company among Indian firms. The advantages of 3D digitization and scanning services company are not restricted to a specific sector or region. Numerous fields, from medicine to the arts, can benefit from this technology. More precise diagnosis and tailored treatments are now possible thanks to 3D digitizing and scanning services' revolutionary impact on the healthcare industry. These services companies have proven crucial to the development of believable individuals and convincing computer-generated settings in the entertainment industry. In conclusion, 3D digitization and scanning services companies have become increasingly important in a wide range of global sectors. The SCON Design is the preeminent provider of these services company in upstate New York, catering to the specific requirements of various industries. Their new office in Bangalore will allow them to better serve the burgeoning technology sector in India, where 3D digitization and scanning services company are in high demand. These services company will become increasingly important in determining the future of design, manufacturing, healthcare, and beyond as technology continues to develop. As 3D digitization and scanning services company have become a vital resource in many industries, the world of technology has continued to grow at a dizzying rate. These services company provide a quick and accurate way to digitize physical artifacts. One area in the United States that has benefited greatly from these services company is upstate New York. Since upstate New York is home to numerous industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, and architecture, there has been a growing demand for 3D digitization and scanning services company in the area. The SCON Design is a reputable business in upstate New York that excels at 3D scanning and digitization. They have state-of-the-art equipment and knowledgeable workers, allowing them to provide customers with a wide variety of choices. The SCON Design tailors its 3D modeling services company to meet the requirements of each individual company, ensuring that the resulting models are accurate and complete. If you need expertise in reverse engineering, quality assurance, or product design, the SCON Design has you covered. On the opposite side of the planet in Bangalore, India, demand for 3D scanning and digital services company is on the rise as well. Since many Indian technology companies are headquartered there, Bangalore has earned the nickname Silicon Valley of India. The need for precise digital models has grown critical as these companies strive to develop and bring their ideas to life. The SCON Design has opened a new location in Bangalore to meet this demand. In order to address the growing demand for their high-quality 3D digitization and scanning services company among Indian businesses, the company has created a new site in this technological sector. The benefits of 3D scanning and digitalization services company are not limited to any one industry or geographical area. This technology has many potential applications, from the medical field to the arts. The revolutionary impact of 3D digitization and scanning services company on the healthcare business may be seen in the increased accuracy of diagnosis and the ability to provide individualized care. The entertainment industry relies heavily on these services company to create lifelike characters and environments created in a computer. In conclusion, businesses in a variety of industries around the world are realizing the benefits of investing in 3D digitization and scanning services. When it comes to meeting the specialized needs of diverse sectors, the SCON Design is the go-to provider in upstate New York. The increasing demand for 3D digitization and scanning services company in India has prompted them to open a new office in the city of Bangalore. The future of design, manufacturing, healthcare, and other fields will depend increasingly on these services companies' technology advances. Thanks for watching.